Welcome back to my channel Lifestyle with Priya. How are you guys doing today? I know it's been really long since I filmed a video. बहुत सारे amazing hauls और reviews करती हूँ. And if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you hit the link in the description. And if you're not subscribed to this channel yet, what are you waiting for? Don't forget to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell because उसी से आपको सारी notifications मिलेंगी और मैं बहुत सारे amazing hauls लेकर आने वाली हूँ. And if you have read the title, you know why I'm here because I wanted to share a huge haul with you, some makeup and skincare suggestions because Nykaa's Pink Friday sale, and I thought what better than come right now to show you some Nykaa haul and to show you some good suggestions even from the high-end products so that you can decide what to buy in the Pink Friday sale. I have a huge haul to unbox. This was my Diwali haul and I couldn't share it earlier, so I just thought to kind of do this haul and plus share suggestions. So अगर आपको मेरी सारी suggestions जानी है even from the high-end brands, then let's get started. Nykaa Pink Friday sale थी तो I thought to wear pink to add a little jazz. And now let's get on with the unboxing. Let me take you through the makeup first and then I'll do the skincare because makeup बहुत सारा है and I want to share what all makeup is new and what all I wanted to try. And उसमें बहुत सारे हाई एंड ब्रांड्स के सजेशंस भी मैं आपको देने वाली हूँ जो आपको इन्वेस्ट करनी चाहिए इस सेल में बिकॉज ये सेल बहुत ही अमेजिंग होने वाली है. इसमें बहुत सारे ब्रांड्स में बहुत बड़े डिस्काउंट्स हैं. सो इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग टू इन्वेस्ट इन हाई एंड प्रोडक्ट्स देन दिस इज़ द टाइम एंड दिस इज़ द टाइम यू शुड चेक आउट द डील. गाइज मेबलिन की सुपर स्टे मैटिंग की न्यू लिप शेड्स आए हैं. दीज आर इंस्पायर्ड बाय द कॉफ़ी एडिशन and I got two of them. I really like one or two more in these, but I got two to try first because ये shades बहुत ही beautiful हैं. If you are a nude lipstick lover, then you will really want to get your hands on these because firstly just look at this is color coded packaging. इसकी इनकी previous lipsticks भी color coded ही आती हैं and these are absolutely non transfer proof. But yeah, if you are wearing it in winters, you can use a lip balm and then wear these. Let me just share the shades with you. One is 260 Hazelnut Hypnotizer and the other is 265 Caramel Collector. Oh my god, guys, these lipsticks smell like coffee. Literally, this is amazing. It is so pretty. Guys, these shades are really pretty. And the best part is that these are really pigmented. एंड इनकी पैकेजिंग भी बहुत क्लासी है. इनकी जो प्रीवियस पैकेजिंग थी उसके जैसे सिमिलर है पर आई थिंक दे हैड वाइट कैप्स सॉर्ट ऑफ लाइक मेटालिक शिमर कैप्स. सो मुझे इनकी पैकेजिंग भी बहुत अच्छी लगी. दीज आर द शेड्स Hazelnut Hypnotizer and Caramel Collector. So these are really pretty shades and these will go on all skin tones. Although ये जो फर्स्ट वाला शेड है ये थोड़ा सा फेयर टू वीटिश टू अ लिटिल डार्क स्किन टोन पे जा सकता है बट नॉट वेरी डार्क स्किन टोन्स. बट ये वाला शेड विल लुक फ्लैटरिंग ऑन ऑल स्किन टोन्स. आई एब्सोल्युटली लव दीज. आई कांट वेट टू वेयर दीज इन विंटर्स. एंड इसमें एक और शेड था समथिंग लाइक मोका. So like that one also, you can check that shade also. And these are going to be really long lasting, so definitely check them out. I got these lipsticks when they had just launched, so इसमें कुछ discount नहीं था, but you'll be lucky, you'll get good discount on this. And plus I had an offer, so I got a mini Hypercool mascara along with it, but I don't know whether this offer will be there, but yes, you'll get these on good discount. This Calabar foundation because I really wanted to try this. This is the weightless foundation and this is the 24 hours. This is the 24 hours weightless liquid foundation. First of all, इसकी packaging इतनी pretty थी that I really wanted to try. This kind of foundation firstly is so attractive because इतनी sleek packaging है and this has metallic cap and best part is this is so travel friendly. It comes in this nozzle kind of a packaging and you can easily pump out your foundation and you can apply it. And also the best part is you can use it because it's a liquid foundation. You can easily use like a strobing cream or something along with this and use it. I heard a lot about the Calabar foundation and I have tried it once. I will definitely review it for you guys. If you want a full review on this, let me know in the comments below. I will do it for you guys. So basically I ordered it online, so I think my shade would have been between 3.1 to 3.3, but I ordered 3.3. so even if I mix a strobing cream with this, it's not going to wash me out. It's going to blend in my skin tone. बहुत lightweight foundation है. This blends in very easily, but I will give a full review on it. So if you want a review, please comment कर दो. Also got this Calabar Clean on the Go. This is the makeup brush sanitizing mist because corona times में if you are somebody who likes to go visit a store and apply swatches on your hands, then what you can do is apply these on your testers. Or even if you have makeup at home and if you want to sanitize your makeup or your makeup brushes, then this is a perfect thing to use because I had heard about this in pack also has this, but I wanted to try the Color Bar one because this is a new one. So I got this, one of my favorite makeup items, and that is eyeshadow. And I got 3 of these eyeshadows from Nika K, and these are so pretty. These are the Nika K 9 color eyeshadow palettes, and ye hai Under the Sea. Look how pretty color combination. This is like shades of blue, green, yellow is also there, orange is also there. The next one is Autumn Spice. This is shades of brown and caramel, and this is so beautiful for winter time, and it's gonna look really, really pretty. And thirdly, I got this shade. This is their Neon Pop palette, and this is the shade called Lucky Charm. Lucky Charm, look at the packaging. This is completely neon packaging. I absolutely loved it when I saw it on the website. And look at this color combination. Oh my god, it has my heart. I can't wait to use this. And इसमें ना एक और, इसमें 2-3 shades और हैं. And I got one more shade which is called Oh Honey or My Honey, something like that. And I will insert it right here. And I got that broken. उसमें एक eyeshadow broken आया था, so I had to return it. But I might order it again because it was so pretty. I'll insert the swatches also right now for you. These palettes are super affordable, and the best part is they're super pigmented. And I'm not going to be swatching them right now because I'm planning to do a full makeup video and a full tutorial on these. So if you would want to see looks through these palettes, please let me know in the comments because मैं Instagram पे भी makeup looks डालती रहती हूँ. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, आप बहुत miss करोगे because I put some reels or some posts for makeup and even makeup videos. So please do definitely check out my Instagram. Nail junkie like me, I love nail paints, and I got some of the nail paints from Calabar. So there was an offer, I think, running during Diwali, that if you buy 2 then you get 1 for free or something, or maybe an off on the 3rd. So I got 3 nail paints from them. So one is this Gold Flex. This is so pretty. Just look at this packaging. Oh god, this is a black base with gold glitter, very fine. It'll look really pretty in with winters in your especially for party season. It's gonna look really pretty. And then you have this blush pink color, or this dusty pink color, very pretty nail paint. This is a really sort of like a nudie pink, and this is evergreen. It's gonna look really nice. And thirdly, I got this beautiful berry color. This is the shade called Desert Rose, and I absolutely loved this when I saw it on the website. And they have multiple shades in blues, greens, yellows, pinks, berries, blacks, whites, everything. So they have a lot of variety. So if you're fond of nail paints, you should check out Calabar nail paints. They're pretty nice. I also got this Calabar on the go nail paint remover. So suppose if you're traveling and some carry-on thing to remove your nail paint, so I got this. And I think this is acetone free, which is very nice. So you can check this out. Very fond of colored eye pencils, and I have collected a lot of them. If you will want a separate video on कौन सी colored eye pencils अच्छी है, long lasting है, smudge proof है, I'll do a separate video. आप please comment में लिख देना that you want a separate video. I'll do it. And अभी I got a Nykaa की Glamorize की 2 colored eye pencils. I had previously also used one of their eye pencils, which was Azure Charm. वो एक dark blue with a little glitter वैसी eye pencil है. And I got these blue hex and ये silver. So I've never used silver eyeliner. I've used silver glitter and all, but I've not used silver eyeliner on my eyelid. So I was curious to try this. And then I got this Starking blue. This is like electric blue shade, very pretty. This looks so popping on your eyes. And if you are somebody who likes bold eye colors or bold eye look, then you should definitely check this out. This is like a statement in your eyes. And even this is going to look really pretty, especially जब party time आएगा December में. or like I have my birthday month coming in December, so I am really excited for December. And plus I have a function in my family, so I'm pretty excited to kind of wear good colorful makeup. So let me know if you have a wedding in your family, or if you are excited to attend some friend or some cousin's wedding this year or next year. Then please let me know in the comments, and I will definitely try to do a video in which I will show you must haves for a Indian wedding. Just look at the swatches. The swatch is gonna speak for itself. It is so pretty. It is so blinding. Look at the silver. It looks really, really stark and pretty. Even if you are somebody with a deeper skin tone, I'm sure this is gonna look nice because it's gonna look good on your skin tone. So I'm excited to try the silver one also. The blue one I've tried, and I will try to insert a picture here, or you can head to my Instagram and check it out. I want to give a special mention to the Color Bar eye pencils. I have been using these since years and years, and I have used several shades in these. And I recently got this shade called a glowing sapphire, and this is a really pretty midnight blue, sort of like navy blue shade. Let me just show you against the blue one also. So if you see that this is the navy blue with glitter, अगर आपको दिख रहा है against this Nykaa, this is the Nykaa one and this is the Colorbar one, and Nykaa का Azure Charm भी sort of similar shade ही है, but I guarantee you this is absolutely smudge proof. Let it dry and I will try to smudge and show you. And these lipsticks are also like sort of dry now, I guess, so you can see. So you can totally invest in these, and they have really, really pretty shades. The coffee edition, you should check them out. Lakme ki 9 to 5 Waitlist Matte Mousse lipsticks. If you have seen this, is a pretty old lipstick, but isme na new shades aaye the, so I wanted to try one. And yes, this had also some offer. There was some offer going on Lakme, and currently also in Pink Friday sale there will be an amazing offer on Lakme, Maybelline, L'Oreal, many other brands, so you can definitely check this out. So I want to show you the shade called Brick Bloom. It's a very pretty rusty shade, and the best thing about these lipsticks is these can be used as lip and cheek tint. तो मतलब आप की ऊपर है कि आप उसको कितना ज़्यादा पिगमेंटेड बनाना चाहते हो. If you're going to be applying it in a pigmented way, then it's going to look like this. So this is the shade. This is sort of like a rusty brown, and अगर आप इसको diffuse करना चाहते हो even on your lips or your cheeks, then you can just take a little bit and then you can tap it, and ये बहुत easily ना आपकी skin में blend हो जाएगा. Let me just show you the comparison. So this is the, I don't know if you can see this. This is the diffused one. ये बहुत slight है और ये थोड़ा pigmented है, तो आप कैसे भी इसको पहन सकते हो. And the packaging is also really pretty, obviously very sleek, rose gold packaging. And Lakme की ये वाली range 9 to 5 range मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती है. तो even in their lipsticks, matte lipsticks, जो इनकी lipsticks आती हैं, they are really nice. So you can check these out. Next up, let's talk about these shower gels from Bath and Body Works. I absolutely love these. I love all the fragrances in Bath and Body Works. Some of them are like okay, but some of them are so amazing. Just like this is one of my favorite scents from Bath and Body Works. This is called Hello Beautiful. And this packaging is obviously very, very pretty. Just look at this. The pink shower gel with this blue teal packaging. And yes, this has a flip cap like this. And the scent is so floral and amazing. On a Hawaiian beach holiday, it's a really pretty scent. I can't even describe it. It's like if you love floral smells, then you'll really, really like this. And this is my second bottle. I got one mini size of this, and I really love this. And I have a I had a sanitizer also in this fragrance. I really highly recommend you to try this fragrance, Hello Beautiful. And then I wanted to try this, and this is 1 in a million, and the bottle is so pretty and looks very luxurious. And this scent it has jasmine oil, tuberose, cashmere musk, and I absolutely love cashmere musk. This fragrance is also really nice. It's really rich and very, very classy sort of fragrance. So if you like trying shower gels and if you like scented nice shower gels, then you should definitely check out Bath and Body Works right now because they'll have great offers. Cream from Bath and Body Works is also really nice. Look at the packaging, rose gold, again really pretty. So this is pricey if you buy it, you know, without any offer. I'm sure you'll get it for a good discount, 15% off or something. So you can check this out. This has shea butter, cocoa butter, aloe, and really looks really pretty on your vanity. And this is very nourishing also. Let me just show you a little bit. So this is the pea size amount. Melts easily on your skin, easily, and very nourishing, especially for winters. Smells really good and perfect to keep it on your vanity or on your bedside table and kind of keep on using it. So guys, I also wanted to talk to you about this Nykaa hand cream. I have been using the hand cream since really long and I find them really nourishing, especially for winters. So this is the Magnolia and White Tea, and before this I used the Peony one, and then before that I used the Rose one. So I've used quite a lot of hand creams from them, and this is a seal, so I'm going to open it in front of you. This is the hand cream. Love the packaging. This also smells really nice. Oh my god, definitely recommend you these. Obviously I've used this Peony and White Lily, so you can check this out also, but this is also a very good fragrance. So guys, now let's come on to the most exciting part, that is talking about some high-end suggestions. Yes, I'm sure you guys always wait for such sales to invest in high-end products. I always wait for some Nykaa sales because वहाँ पे बहुत सही deals होती हैं on good high-end brands. Like suppose they have, you know, if you buy worth 3,000 you get some product free, if you buy worth 4,000 you get some product free. So right now they have really great deals. So some of the brands which I recommend you trying is Huda Beauty, Too Faced, Smashbox, MAC, Laneige. Some of the products of Face Shop is also in high-end sort of. That's skincare brand. You have Pixie Beauty, you have Flower Beauty. Flower Beauty is sort of medium range, but some products are pricey. Then you have Milani. Yes, Benefit. So let's dig into the suggestions that I want to share with you. There will be many suggestions. ये मेरे sort of like current favorites है, और जो मैं आपको बोलूँगी कि आपको must buy करने चाहिए. You know, these will be really good for you. So I will suggest you my some of my favorites from the high-end brands, and let's get started. So guys, firstly let's go to Smashbox, and उनकी जो mini liquid lipstick sets आते हैं, you should definitely put your hands on them. So I have the Smashbox Sobita Duli Palya collection, and they have pretty shades. One is the shade called Gulabe, and the other one is the shade called Boss, and both of them are really perfect for Indian skin tones. They are like cult classics. This is like a very pretty red shade, like a deep red, perfect for any festive wedding or even Christmas, which will be coming in December. And then we have Gulabe. It's a very pretty pinky nude. It'll be a pinky nude for somebody for deeper skin, and for a skin tone like me or a fairer skin tone, it will be a sort of like a mauvey pink, or you can say it is not very deep, it's a sort of like a blush pink sort of a shade. So these are really pretty, and let me show you swatches. Shade Gulabe is one of my favorite shades. I absolutely love this shade. You can check this out. इसमें camera पे I don't know if you can see the same shade as this shade is. This shade is this exactly, and it looks really pretty on all skin tones. Trust me, even deeper skin tones, it'll look really good on you. So you can check this out. Or even one of my favorite YouTubers, Malvika Satlani, has come out with her Smashbox Lip Kit Duo. So she has two shades. So one of them is Driver Seat and the other one is Babe Alert. So it is sort of like a orangey coral, and the other one is a pink shade. So I think I'm going to get my hands on that as well, because even that seems really exciting. And these lipsticks are really long lasting, so you can definitely check out lipsticks from Smashbox. Then yes, their primers are fabulous, so you can check out their Studio Photo Finish. I had the mini variant. I got this in an offer. They have their full size, or I guess maybe some mini size must be available. So you can definitely check this out. It'll be great for somebody who have combination to oily skin to fill in your pores. Very raved product by makeup artists and everything. And they also have this primerizer. So I'm planning to invest maybe in the full size of this, because it's like a very creamy primer. It's like a hydrating primer. It's going to moisturize your skin. So if you have dry skin like me, if you're somebody who has combination skin, then you can go for it, because winters mein वैसे भी your skin gets very dry. So you want a hydrating primer. So you can buy something like this. This size is not available for sale, but they have mini and I guess the full variant. So something like this will be really amazing in sale. Their cult primer water. This is their makeup fixer primer water and even refresher. So this bottle is really handy and you can easily travel with this. This is the mini variant. I absolutely love this. So I got these and I got these in offer. So you can check out their primers. So the foundation is also very nice. It's a little pricey, but if you want to invest, Smashbox has a very good foundation. On to Becca. Becca is known for highlighters. They have amazing highlighters and primers, and I have this Becca Champagne Pop, which is a cult highlighter. Every makeup artist, every beauty blogger, or anybody raves it so much, and there is a reason why. I've been using it since many years. I got it from when it was not available in India. Champagne color highlighter. It's stunning for any skin tone, even if you're fair, medium, dark. This is gonna look gorgeous on you. Let me show you a swatch. This is a pricey product. It's like an investment. It's like if you are a highlighter junkie like me, you should definitely invest in this. And if you can't buy the full product, you can go for the mini one. So I got both of them because I absolutely love this product. Two bits, because I wanted to always have a backup. You can't travel always with the big one, because it's it can shatter very badly. This is the swatch. How blinding is this? I absolutely love the pigmentation, finish, texture, everything of this product, and the packaging is obviously bomb.com. So you should never miss this highlighter. I recently got this when it launched in India on Nykaa. Just look at this, so cute. It's like mom highlighter and baby highlighter. It's absolutely flippin' cute. And just look at this. Oh my god, it's so cute. Look at this. So I'm not swatching this because this is brand new and I might use it, I might gift it or something, I don't know. So basically this is really pretty. Also have this glow elixir from Becca. I think I got it in some offer maybe. This is basically a illuminating lotion. So basically if you use this on your skin, it comes with a dropper. So it's like a serum base, glowing serum. Use the moisturizer and then you use this on your face, then your makeup is gonna look really glowy. So I haven't used this yet, but this has some particles, shimmer particles, if you can see. Looks really nice. I think I'm going to be trying it soon, so I will let you know my reviews on it, but looks really nice. And you can get a full size product. Talk about Benefit. So basically whenever you hear about Benefit, you hear about Bene Brows. That is the Benefit Brows. It's very famous for its brow products. I got this Precisely My Brow Pencil. So this is a brow pencil and this is the mini variant. Thankfully they also have minis. The only drawback is that they don't have a spoolie in the mini one, but that's okay. I have a lot of spoolies. So this packaging is absolutely gorgeous, stunning. Absolutely love this arrow shaped packaging. And the best part is that it's a roll up pencil and this is so fine, so fine, that you can easily make brow strokes with these. Precisely My Brow. This is for really fine hair. This is for really fine, this is to create really fine this is to create really fine eyebrow hair. And you also have Goof Roof eyebrow pencil, which is a little slanted shape, and even that is really nice. If you are amateur, you can go for that also, but I prefer this because this is really precise. And even if you have thin eyebrows, you can easily go for this. So I got the shade 4.5, and even the shade 4 is good for Indian eyebrows. I only recommend you their blushes, and their blushes are really cute in packaging. Just look at this. This is like a cool diva on the packaging, and this is the mini variant. So basically this comes with their own blush brush, and this is perfect for traveling. Cute brush, and this is perfect to apply your blush with. And then you can also use a bigger one if you are having this design. This is like a gold sun and peach blush. I absolutely love the design, and actually I have used this on for the festive season on Diwali, and also the shimmer part has come off a little bit, but yes, this looks really really pretty on your cheeks. It's like a sheen of coral, and the packaging is obviously fab. So you can check this, or they have other variants of blushes also, so you can check this out. They also have amazing mascaras, amazing. Then I got their Bad Girl Bang mascara. This is such a cute packaging. It looks like a rocket. It's a very pretty packaging, black with pink detailing. And look at this cover also. The covers are also like really nicely packaged, and you get really attracted towards the packaging. And this is the mini one. I loved this mascara. If you're somebody who has very small eyelashes, not very long, so this is really good for lengthening plus volume. And trust me, I've used a lot of mascaras, very few that I like, some of them in Maybelline, maybe one in Too Faced or something, but this one is really 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 nice. I highly recommend that. If you want to try good mascaras, then you should definitely check out the Benefit one. For a certain amount, I got this Love lip tint free. This was really super cute. This is like a lip and cheek tint, and I have used the Benetton before, so I like that, but I've never used this. But this is also really nice. I think it's gonna be really good. Let me try it on my cheeks a little bit. Actually, you dot it across and then you pat it. It looks pretty good. Benetton is more thinner. This was little thicker consistency, but you have to just, I think, go one at a time, dot it and then pat it. And I think it's gonna look really good in as a flash of color in winters. So I think you can check this out. Guys, let's talk about one of the most exciting makeup brands, that is called Huda Beauty. And a lot of you love Huda Beauty, and a lot of you want to know what are the best products in Huda Beauty. So basically their lips and their eyes are one of their best parts. Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette is something which is going to be on a bigger sale right now. So I have the old version because this is the old Rose Gold palette, but yes, they have the similar shades in the remastered one also. These are perfect for somebody who loves to create festive looks, and even for Indian weddings, winters. These look really pretty. I'm wearing this palette on my eyes right now, and the shades are really pretty on these. Pinks and reds and bronze colors. Really good for Indian wedding and Indian festive makeup. So you can definitely check this out. But yes, they also have these mini palettes. These are like a savior, because sometimes somebody who's not very good with makeup, they don't want to invest in bigger palettes, they want to invest in smaller palettes. So this one is, I don't know whether this one will be available, but yes, this one will be available. This is the Mauve Obsessions. So this is perfect for winters. So this is the Mauve Obsessions, and this is going to be perfect for winters. This has deeper darker shades of rose gold, plums. This is really nice to create a winter eye look. And if you are somebody who likes plums and vines, then you'll love this palette. This is the Electric Obsessions. I'll just show you. I hope that they have this, but I'm not sure whether they have this. This is the colorful palette. They have all the shades like pinks, orange, reds, blues, yellow, greens. So basically I love this palette to create a colorful eye look. And let's move on to the lips. So basically these are their liquid lipsticks, which were a cult classic. Everyone went mad and everyone wanted to try them when they got launched. So right now they also have the bullet lipsticks. I'm yet to try the bullet lipsticks, but they have these liquid mattes which are non-drying and they are long lasting, so I really like them. I have the shade called Icon, and it's a very pretty orangey rusty shade. It's more so like a rusty shade. I love this shade. This shade looks good on all skin tones. Rusty shade, really really pretty. And then I have the shade called Cheerleader. It's a deep wine color. Smell like as if they are like vanilla sticks. Really really smell nice. The swatches. This is the shade Cheerleader. And I also have a shade called Girlfriend. That's a mini lipstick. So they also have minis. So if you're wanting to try shades like Trendsetter, Bombshell, which are the classics, you can go for the minis. And these came out, I absolutely went crazy to kind of get these. Huda Beauty lip sets, and just look at the packaging. I have shown these previously on my channel, and these are so cute. I just got them basically for their packaging, and this set was also very nice. This was the trophy wife set. So this is the lip pencil. So first you line your lips, then you use the matte lipstick, and then you use the lip topper or the metallic sort of like a gloss. So this looks really, really, really nice. If you want the swatch, I'll give you a swatch of the liquid lipstick. It's going to go on all the skin tones. Look at the shade. This is the shade Trophy Wife, and this matches my jacket also. Very pretty. It's a very nice consistency, not chip types. Very nice. Wear this on top of this, or you can even wear it as a clear gloss. It looks good. This is the lip topper. Very pretty. And then I also got this Huda Beauty mini lipstick in the shade called Girlfriend. So this is a nude color. So it's a proper nude shade. So you can pair it with any lipstick, or you can wear it as it is. So this is the nude shade. I would highly recommend you try one of their lip kits. It's really pretty. Huda Beauty has beautiful eyelashes. So if you're a person who loves to wear eyelashes, or if you like to wear eyelashes with heavy makeup, or even for the wedding season, if you want to buy good eyelashes, invest in one of these. So I got this Jacqueline number 20. So these are the eyelashes. I have not tried them yet. I will be using them soon. The Huda Beauty eyeliner, because if you have seen Huda Beauty's pictures, she has this classic eyeliner, and when she talked about this eyeliner, she said it's like really dark and pigmented and smudge proof. So it's a really pricey one, but I wanted to invest in it. And this is the eyeliner. So this is a really classic eyeliner, and I think on one side is the kajal and the other side is the eyeliner. This is really travel friendly also, and this is her classic logo, which comes, if you can see, and it's a very, very fine tip. You can easily make a wing from this. It's a very, let it dry, and till then let me show you the swatch of the kajal. Pigmented, especially the liner. The kajal is pigmented, but yeah, the liner is more pigmented, and the packaging is pretty classy. The liner, this is the liner, and this is the kajal. I found the liner more pigmented, and this is matte black, so this is really good. So I think you can say that you get two products in one, so which is nice. So quick update, I kind of tried to smudge this, and this is smudge proof. I'm trying to put good force, and it's not smudging, so it's good smudge proof. And yes, I think it will be waterproof also, as it's claimed. I think it's a good investment. Talk to you about this Flower Beauty highlighter set. So this comes in 3 shades, and especially if you're a highlighter junkie or you're a makeup artist, you should definitely invest in such palettes. And look at these shades. They have a golden, they have a pinky rose gold shade, and then they have this silvery whitish shades. Two will go on many skin tones, and these can be mixed and matched also. So basically today I applied this, and I applied this. It's many hours ago I had applied, but it's sort of still there. I'll try to freshly apply it and show it to you. Brush that it comes along with, pretty travel friendly. Let us apply with this only. A little bit, and then a little bit on the white. I think it's pretty blinding, and the perfect thing is that it comes with the brush, so you can travel with this. You don't have to, if you're a highlighter junkie and you like to mix and match your highlighters, then check this out. So I want to talk to you about Pixie's glitter eyeshadows, because I had seen this in a video, and when I saw this I was like, this is a perfect palette, especially for wedding season or party season, जो December में आता है. And January में भी बहुत लोगों की weddings होती है, and February again a lot of people have weddings and functions. So these kind of eyeshadow palettes are so easy to travel with. So if you somebody who loves to wear glitter on your eyes, so these eyeshadow palettes are really handy. And the best part is that you don't need a glitter glue with this. These shades are so stunning. And they have three more shades in these. Like this is the shade called Gold Lava. And they have two more shades in this range. And let me show you the swatches of these. Absolutely stunning gold bronze colors. White gold. Look at this. It's gonna speak for itself. I mean, look how pigmented this is. The reflection on my hand, rich with a sort of like holographic shimmer. So pretty, yaar. I hope you can see these better. Look at these. Oh my god. According to the price, it's pretty reasonable. Now see the swatches. Oh my god, gorgeous. Oh, pretty. I highly recommend you guys. And I will show you a look with this soon, hopefully. So I'll try to use it somehow, and please stay tuned and comment below if you want to see a look using this. Last part, Too Faced, and quickly show you. This is the Too Faced concealer. I highly recommend this because this hydrates your under eyes. This is my current favorite, and this retails for approximately 1900. And then you have this liquid lipstick. This is the shade called Sell Out. Really gorgeous nude pinky shade. This shade is a must have for every skin tone. बहुत ही pretty pink shade है, and the finish is also not non-drying. Really nice. And the final thing is the eye mascara. They also have Better Than Sex. That one is also really nice. And this is called Damn Girl. Damn Girl. So this is a very pretty mini sized Too Faced mascara. I love the packaging of this. So gorgeous. It's a rose gold, like a diamond volume to your lashes. So this is the wand. It's like a pure shaped wand, and it's a nice mascara. So today I'm wearing this mascara. I don't know if you can notice. I wanted to tell you that I got some products from their new lingerie line, which is the Nykaa's brand Naked. They've come up with lingerie. So if you would want to see this haul, then let me know. I'll try to do it in a clothing haul. And yes, I got my hands on the Katrina Kaif's new lipstick. This is the shade called Action. So these are this magnetic packaging, very luxurious. Look at this rose gold packaging and magnetic. And these are a bullet lipstick just like this, and these are perfect to make your line your cupid's bow. So these have come out in 18 shades, 8 shades with me. So if you would want to see a swatch video using these K-Beauty lipsticks, then please let me know in the comments, either here on YouTube or on IGTV. If you don't follow me on Instagram, link in the description. I know it's been a long video, but I hope you like these suggestions, especially for high-end brands and other brands. And I'm sure you're gonna be enjoying this Pink Friday sale. So am I. So I'm gonna be shopping some more. So please leave your comments and suggestions down below if you want me to try any product, or if you think some products which work for you and are a must buy. I would love to check them out. And yes, please let me know what else would you like to watch on this channel. I keep on sharing hauls, reviews, and many more exciting stuff. And I'm planning to do one brand tutorials also, because I have a lot of products from many brands. If you'd like to see any of these videos, please leave in the comments. And if you haven't subscribed, अगर आपने ये सब चैनल अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, प्लीज़ जल्दी से जाके सब्सक्राइब बटन और वो बेल हिट कर दो, ताकि आपको सारी नोटिफिकेशंस मिले फ्यूचर की. एंड आई विल बी posting much more often, because yes, December is coming soon, and that's my favorite month because my birthday month is coming. And yes, it's going to be a good time. Hopefully corona goes soon from our lives and we can use this makeup and go head out and enjoy ourselves. So until then, you can wear this at home and enjoy at your, you can call your friends over and be at home. And yes, please let me know what did you like from this haul. And yes, lastly, I would like to tell you there are links of all these products. So अगर आपको कोई भी प्रोडक्ट खरीदना है, आप डायरेक्टली उस लिंक पे जाके वो अपने कार्ट में डाल के परचेज कर सकते हो. And trust me, you will get good discounts. So you can check out the sale right now. I will see you again in my next video. Until then, keep smiling and keep shining. Bye guys.